Get your custom font from websites like Google Fonts, The Font, or Font Squirrel. Download the font and install on your computer. Launch CapCut and open your project. Click on the text and drag it to your timeline. In the text settings, click the font drop-down. Scroll down to the System Fonts section to find your installed custom font, or type the font name in the search bar and select it. Change the font color and use it in your design. That's how you add fonts to CapCut. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.